Hi guys, let's prepare strawberry fluff. Take 2 tablespoons of strawberry flavor jelly, 1 tablespoon of sugar and 60 ml of hot water. Mix it well. Let it cool for 10 minutes at room temperature. Take a blender and in that add 1 cup of milk and then add jelly mixture. Blend it for 1 minute. Then pour it in a container and freeze it for 2 hours. This delicious dessert requires only 3 ingredients and easy to prepare. This easy strawberry fluff is a delicious dessert that is perfect for all occasions. Sweet and fluffy and bursting with strawberry flavor. If you like this recipe, then comment below, like, share and subscribe for more yummy recipes.